Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to monetize Instagram. So let's get into it. First of all, open your Instagram app. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner. Click on the menu icon in the upper right corner. Then tap on Settings and select Business. Click on Monetization Status. It says you are eligible for monetization. There are a lot of ways to monetize your Instagram account, such as brand partnerships, ads on video content, Instagram subscription, and Instagram shop. As long as you provide valuable content to your audience, have expertise in something, and have a loyal audience whom you can influence, you can ride this wave and make money out of Instagram content. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.